Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about the parent and the child package in SSIS. Execute package task extends integration service by letting package run other package as part of a workflow. In our previous course, for each loop container in SSIS, we paradise update the page list by using for each loop container and execute SQL task. Let's review this package. Today, we will split this package to two packages, parent and child. We duplicate it twice. We rename one as parent, another as child. In child package, we drag and move the update salary task out and delete other components. Click Parameters. Add child parameter. Data type integer, value is 0. Click Control Flow. Update salary task. Parameter mapping. Variable name is child parameter. Click OK. Then we go to parent package. Delete the update salary task. Drag in an execute package task. Double click it. Package name. Choose child. Parameter bindings. Child parameter binding variable user rising ID. Click OK. Then let's check the page list before update. Finally, let's execute parent package. We check the new child list in our database. All employees who matched the condition had been updated. Perfect job! Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.